Hi everyone. Today in this video we are going to discuss about the lists. Previously we have discussed about the few things like basic forms, metadata, advanced forms. In advanced forms also same like metadata, both the configuration should be the same only. Now long back we have connected this video. In this video I'm going to explain about the list. What is the purpose of this list and when we are going to use this one. We'll see. So first let's we basically now we are having the now important management also we can configure, also power pages also we can configure. Now advanced version is the power pages, we can go and we can go and configure there also. This is the power pages. It is our power pages edit page. We can do it configuration for list here also, and here in portal management also. Basically in design studio now every component is mostly is available, few components is upcoming, it is going to update. And now as of now few components is available. If anything is missing, if anything is not there, we can go and create in portal management. If you see, I have already configured the list here in one of the my portal. So this is the travel booking list. In this, if I go here, I'm going to that web page. In that web page, this is the list I have. If you see here, the already list will be there. One of this section, I have added this list. So if you want to add, I will show you first. You can click on here. If we are having the options standard, these are the options we have. Also form, multi-step form, list, Power BI. This is the basic form, this is the advanced form, and now we are discussing about this list. I'm adding one more list here. Example, I will go for the booking list, or else I will create a new list, that is a better. So in Design Studio, how we can create the new list to show into our customers in a portal. So I'm selecting one of the table like booking. Next, I'm selecting the views. What are the views? If you want, you can select. Next, I'm giving the list name is the new list, new booking list. Okay. So also we have the few more options. Once setup is done, this is the normal setup of the list. We are having the actions. If you see in this list actions, we have the options to create a record, download it, what are the in that grid like list, how many records is coming, you can download those list. And also for each row actions we can give the view details, edit record, delete those options also. If you see here, this is the list. I have given the create option to create the record, and once we create the record it will come to our list. And I given the edit option, I given the delete option also. So I will give this one, create a new record. So when I click on this, it will ask the form type, because of if you want to create any record, first you should have the form to submit the data. So I'm having one of the form. I'm selecting. I will select some other page, anything else, or else insert from whatever it is, and I'm giving the label as create. See, I'm giving the form is the edit page. Edit page means we are having the privilege edit only. We'll see any error coming next. Next, download list contents. If I'm enabling this, download button will come. View list, to view the this one, which page unit means we can select that one. Edit the record. I'm giving the form which frame, again same page, same form, and next delete the record. So I'm giving the display there also. If you want different display, different display labels also, we can give it. By default, edit, download, these are the names, and more options we have. Now example, as of now we have given the per page 10 records. If you want, you can provide 50, something like that. And if I'm enabling this one, we'll get a search bar here. So now I'm enabling this one, so search it will come. So as of now I'm going to see, if you want, these are the, as of now in design studio we have the options to show the list in our customers portal. If you want more options, more settings means you can go into the open portal management, then it will redirect to this portal, this one. So I'm now clicking on done. Once it is completed, we need to sync it, because of when you are syncing, cache will remove, then you can see the immediate action, what are the changes we have done in our business studio. We can see into our customer portal. So I'm once my sync is completed, I'm previewing into desktop. Okay. See, once sync preview is completed, this is my old list what I have implemented. This is my new list whatever now I have added. As I told, we have enabled the search option, we have given the create, and when we are clicking on download, it will download the Excel format. How many records is there in that record, it will download it. Also, if you see view details, edit, everything, if you're clicking on view, we can see the details of whatever the submitted data. See, and now why it is showing as a means I have not created any form for the read only. That is the reason we are able to enable this one. This is the edit form. So just for saving, I'm showing here. And if I am deleting this one, it will GJH. If I am deleting this, it will delete the record. So this is my previous one. Now we have deleted in this. So here it is deleted. And when I click on create, it will come the same form. What are the, because I don't have the, I'm not given the perfect exact form, so that is the reason it's coming. But basically when we're clicking on create form, it will give the new empty form to submit the data and download whatever that list it is available in our list. We can download it. If you want to only read the data, you can click on this. If you want to edit the data, you can edit the data and you can submit. Once edited, it will update the data in our list and backend. And if you want to delete this one, you can delete it. These are the options as of now we are having available in the our design studio power pages, but we are having few more settings. So those we can go into the our portal management. So see here, this is our portal management. Now we have created one of the list, right? So this is our we have created now. So I'm opening that new booking list. If you see whatever the previous we have select given the name, table name, website and views. Previously we have selected only one view, that is the active bookings. If we want to see in the same grid, I mean same list also calling as grid only. So in the same grid, if you want to change the views, example one of the view we are not adding few fields, but one of the view example we can filter the name is example created is the name is there. Name, it has to be come we can filter like that and created an example. I have one of the field bus type. This is the like AC and non-AC. Okay, I will give the grid name is the AC bus list view name, and one is the non-AC bus list. So I need to see in the different views means we can create backend two views, and if you want to see you can add one more view. And now I'm adding as the inactive bookings also. So when I save it, if you we can see this one change and syncing it. So syncing is completed. We'll go on preview what is the output we are able to see now. If you see, we will get the changeable views. Customer can able to change the views, their way of thinking, how they what exactly they want to see, whether active AC versus list or non-active versus list, just like this. See, example, active bookings or inactive bookings. Now active bookings is this one. If I go the inactive bookings, if no nothing is there is no request to display, like this we can see different use we can create it, and you can add how multiple use, and the customer can able to change their use whatever their way of work, like that. So coming to these are the views, and in these views also we are having multiple advanced settings. So you just click on here, we are having the option advanced setting. You can enable that one. You see name, this is the active bookings, this is inactive bookings. Okay, so in this display name, if example I have enabled three languages for this active bookings. If you want to show some other name like only available, save it, will sync and say. See, if you see I have given the available that name as English version, so this is showing available. We can change the name also for book this one. This is the for the display name purpose. Now if you go here, we already in Visual Studios we have the option this one. And if you want to see this particular web page, we can select here, and this is for ID. and we use a configuration code no component. This is depends upon our configuration if you want to go advance anything. Details button label. Next one, web page to create button label. Now button labels we are having create edit, right? If you want something different, like we can use different names. Now if English engraving insert means automatically our create button name it has to change. So next we are having few more example. Enable table permissions. So and also search. When we enable this one, yes, then only we can able to see the search option as we know in Design Studio, and we are having tooltips, text filter conditions, also metadata filters. These are the next video. I will explain the clearly metadata filter or how we can use exactly and filter conditions. And coming to the map view, if you get any requirement to show the under list, if you want to show any map, you can give the proper entity mapping fields and you can get it. And the calendar view, this is the somewhat custom configuration we have to do. And what data fit we are also same. Next, coming to the options, if you want to show perform some custom actions to using code jQuery code, you can return the jQuery here and you can get the output there. Unload function error change. And grid configuration, so now as we already enabled to create button, edit button, everything, right? See download button, if you want to save Design Studio, also we're having the option to change the label name of download button, same like that. Same like a target type, what is the form we are selecting, what is the button label you can provide here. Same item actions, we having the details view. Details means view, edit means edit the record, delete the record. Next, we can activate this one. You can activate the record, you can deactivate record also, option is there. And custom workflows, if you want to perform any logic, business logics, you can use in workflows, we can enable this one, we can perform those things. And create related record means if you want to create any related record from this list, example from this table to another table, example I have given this record plus button. If using this, if you want to create a record, example, you can take booking table. In that we are having one of the lookup related to the contact table. So if they want to, if example they have selected the lookup field, in future whatever the selected list, they're not having the particular value whatever they're looking in that lookup field. So that time you can give the create this button. When you click on this button, it will open the contact form. You can submit the data. Once submit the data, you can see that value, you can select it. So using this related record, you can perform this lookup data values, new data values. We can activate the record, you can deactivate the record, same options. And if we go here, we are having the some advanced options also. So to show the CSS like this in everything, button labels, success message, if you want to show any success message after records are created, confirmation required. If example we are creating if you're deleting anything or anything, any delete view details, every purpose we are having the confirmation required. So when you're creating anything, it will ask you the pop-up like if you want to continue, like if yes means it will continue, otherwise no will not continue. We're having the filter of criteria also to show the expected data like this. We are having the so many options to filter the list grids. So coming to the web pages, in these web pages we can see like what are the respective web pages associated with this list, like that way everything we can see. And coming to the this one, in this we can next session we will discuss about the clearly about the metadata filter and what is the filter conditions, what is these two purpose. Basically now just for what is example I will show. Just when you enable this one, in this will get a one of the filter criteria option to filter the data whatever the data we are seeing in the list. So example name is there, name they want to filter like the show only, example I have entered Hari, so it will show only Hari record, like that we can provide the metadata filter and we'll see the output. And thank you so much for watching.